Welcome in online teaching of St. Thomas School. We are going to study moral science subject, chapter number 13, some reminiscences of the bar. First paragraph, we have seen that Gandhiji considered truth as a god and did not do anything that hurts truth in his entire life. Gandhi was truthful not only in his personal life but also in professional life. People wrongly think that certain kind of adjustments are allowed in business life, even though sometimes they are against truth. They call it business secret, but Gandhiji opposed any kind of practice that goes against truth in professional or in business. For Gandhi, truth was truth and partial truth was a lie. Gandhiji never approved of a lie even for a noble cause or professional one. So, my dear students, name of the chapter, some reminiscences of the bar. That means act of remembering. We need to remember certain things. As Gandhiji is telling, whenever we are talking about the Gandhiji, we are starting with the truth. Gandhiji is believing, is considering truth as a God, and we are believing in God. So we have to be truthful. We have to see no one can get hurts from us. So, as it is mentioned here, Gandhiji was truthful not only in his personal life but also in professional life also. That is a very big thing, because in certain cases when we are talking about the business, some adjustments are made, and in that truth is not there, and that is not fair at all. People are saying that is a business secrets. That is not fair. Gandhiji is against of it. In profession, in business, in our job, in our work, everywhere we have to do everything, all the functions truthfully. Even Gandhiji is telling partial truth also was a lie. So, Gandhiji never approved of a lie even for a noble cause or professional one. Second paragraph. He was a lawyer by profession, and the lawyer's profession was a liar's profession, according to the understanding of the time, but this did not influence Gandhi. He had no intention of earning either position or money by lying. While working in South Africa as an advocate, he had to face so many difficult times. When his principles were put to test, Gandhi's opponents in the court used to tutor their witness. By tutoring, the witness were taught to say lies in the court to shoot their side of the case. But Gandhiji always resisted such temptation. Gandhi warned his clients at the very outset that they should not expect him to take up false, seize or to cause the witness. As a result, his reputation as a truthful advocate spread among the people, and nobody dared to bring false cases to him. and his clients used to keep their clean cases for him, and doubtful cases were taken to lying lawyers. So, my dear students, here you see in this paragraph, Gandhiji was a lawyer, we know very well by profession. And we are knowing that also, no? Lawyers, advocates' profession is a liar's profession. Each and every time they have to speak truth. But as it is mentioned here in this paragraph, when we are earning, when point is there for our position, money, then also we have to be truthful only. Gandhiji was working in South Africa as an advocate. Many difficulties were there. But then also Gandhiji was working for truth only. Gandhiji's opponents in the court used to tutor their witness, and they were teaching to say lies in the court to shoot their side of the case, and that is very bad according to the opinion of Gandhiji. Because like that, temptation not good. And Gandhiji was against of it. So when false cases were there, nobody was dared to bring false cases towards Gandhiji. There is no doubt at all. Even though Gandhiji was a lawyer, he was always in favor of truth. So, my dear students, on the basis of these two paragraphs, we have to learn, we have to become truthful person. Now, remaining chapter we will see in the next video. Thank you very much. Stay home. Take care about yourself.